PF Chang's for approximately $4 to $5 per person is what's on the menu tonight. I picked up shrimp lo mein in the frozen section of my local grocery store. It took 15 minutes tops. 2 packs, you could feed 4 people. You could do two, I mean, if you're greedy like that, but you know. I also got some egg rolls, which were about $4.99 for 4. I put those in the oven for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes on 400. I like them nice and crispy. It did come with a duck sauce that I don't know if it was still frozen and didn't feel like it, but it was a little chunky coming out of there, coming out of the pack. So I wiped a little bit of that off because I don't know, you know. Look at that. It's like applesauce. Look, it's just like apple butter. It was good though. It's a good brand for the most part. And this is the shrimp lo mein. The whole process. I mean, this is less than 30 minutes. Shrimp lo mein, cheap, $4 to $5 a person. I'm saying 4 to 5 because it's like 450. You know, tax, added tax. Delicious.